new machine day here at Titans of CNC, and this time it's not a mill or a lathe, but it is an absolute beast of a machine. We're taking everything to the next level, and today our additive department is getting a massive upgrade. Fancy, huh? As you guys know, we're all about taking things to the next level. So what we did was we got rid of our TruPrint 2000 and we upgraded to the big brother TruPrint 3000. You'll notice right off the bat, these TruPrint 3000 cylinders are massive. They're way bigger than the 2000. On top of that, we have an additional supply cylinder. So we have 2 supply cylinders for printing huge parts. So right now we're pulling this supply cylinder so we can take it over to our sieve station and fill it with powder for our qualifying build. That's the last step in the process in setting up our TruPrint 3000. We're gonna load this supply cylinder with 316L stainless steel using our sieve station here. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna take the powder, it's gonna run it through the sieve, and it's gonna kick out anything that's bigger than 63 microns, and everything else is gonna go into our massive supply cylinder so that we can print our qualifying build. Now, one of the biggest benefits about having 2 supply cylinders and a sieve station is while the TruPrint 3000 is running production with 2 full supply cylinders, we can be filling this supply cylinder using our sieve station. Then when one of those supply cylinders in the machine runs out, we can just swap the 2 and then refill the empty one again on our sieve station, all while the printer is just running and running and running. So now that we got our supply cylinder loaded with powder, let's go load our build plate into the machine. Look at this monster build plate. I mean, my head's pretty big, but it doesn't even compare to this 300mm diameter build plate. That's just under 12 inches in diameter, plus we can build parts 400mm tall. That's just under 16 inches tall. This thing is gonna print monster parts, but first let's build our qualifying part. So what is a qualifying print? Well, essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna print a series of circles and squares located throughout our build plate using both our left and our right laser. And then after the print's done, we're gonna measure their position and their overall size to verify that our lasers and our scanners are calibrated and working properly. Before we start a qualifying print, I just want to say thank you to Shoutout by Acharya. I apologize if I'm saying that wrong, but I want to stop and say thank you for joining our YouTube family and supporting free education. So our qualifying print just finished, and in the past with the TruPrint 2000, we would usually raise our part up and vacuum all the loose powder up with the machine's internal vacuum system. But one of the cool features about the TruPrint 3000 is we can actually cap this build cylinder and pull the entire thing out and then unpack our part using our depowdering station. So we mounted our build cylinder into our depowdering station. Now what I'm gonna do is crank this handle and completely invert our build cylinder upside down. Okay, so right now our cylinder's at 90 degrees. So before I flip our cylinder all the way upside down, I had to make the connection between our depowdering station and our sieve station using our hose. What's gonna happen is, once I flip this all the way, all this powder is gonna travel through our hose into our sieve station, and it's gonna be sieved back into our supply cylinder for a future build job. Boom. So there you have it. Our qualifying build for our TruPrint 3000 is finished and everything looks really good. I'm excited to take some measurements on this thing, but I just want to say that we removed our TruPrint 2000 and we stepped it up by getting a TruPrint 3000. And as you can see, for big parts and for large production, this thing is a beast. I'm so glad this qualifying build is done. I can't wait to move on to hydraulic manifolds and heat exchangers, even medical parts. We're gonna print all kinds of stuff. And as usual, we're gonna show you guys every single step of the process. If you like the video and you wanna show your support, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can also hit the join button, and that's gonna give you access to exclusive content, our members chat on our Discord server where myself, Barry, Chris, Jussie, all the guys are at. And you can even get free merch. So go ahead and hit that join button. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you next time. Would you think I was going somewhere? Coming back. You want some more? Look at this thing.